Hey guys, welcome to Keeping Up with Coins. So in today's part, we will be exploring this one Kopek coin of Belarus. Belarus is a East European country. It was actually a part of the Soviet Socialist Republic. It existed as a Belarusian Soviet Socialist Republic, and in its history, for a very small period in 1918, it became independent, but later it became the part of the Soviet Socialist Republic, and in 1991 it got its independence. So from 1996 they started issuing their currency, even though they adopted the currency in 1993. So the currency of Belarus is known as Belarusian ruble, and it is divided into 100 parts. So this is 1 by 100 part of a Belarusian ruble. Now, interesting fact about the Belarusian ruble is that most of the coins are based on four main themes, that is Belarus and world, history and culture of Belarus, sports, and environmental protection. So these are the four main themes that can be seen generally in the Belarus coins. Now, another important fact about the Belarus coins is that Belarus don't have a national mint at all. So they issue or give orders to the national mint of currents of countries in their surrounding national mint of their surrounding nations, and then they get their coins and that is issued in these countries. So this particular coin in my hand is actually minted in Slovakia, so this is not minted in Belarus. The national authorities give orders to the Slovakian mint and they mint and give it to the Belarus, and this is then issued in the Belarus. So let us look into the physical features of this particular Belarus 1 Kopek coin. So this is actually a standard circulation coin in Belarus. This particular coin actually is minted in 2009. You can see here clearly it is written 2000. So this is a 2009 minted 1 Kopek coin of Belarus. So this particular coin is made of copper plated steel, and the weight of, as you can see, this is a very small coin. The weight of this coin is only 1.55 grams. The diameter of this coin is only 15 millimeters, and the thickness of this coin is 1.25 millimeters. You can see here it's only this much, so it's 1.25 millimeters. This coin is also in a medal alignment format, like you can see. I turn it like this, it's also in a medal alignment format. Now let's look into the meaning of the pictures engraved in this particular coin. In the over side of the Belarus, you can see this particular like you can call it as a coat of arms, but as a national emblem of Belarus. So the national emblem of Belarus is actually consisting of Belarusian flag, sun, rays of sun, and there is the rice sheaves also there, and there is a star which is like a adoption from the Soviet emblems. So in the ribbon below it is written Republic of Belarus, and in below that it is also written in big letters Belarus. So the year of minting 2009 is also written in this overside. The other side, if you're like looking, it is written 1 kopeka, which is the 1 kopek value. One is also written in a very stylized manner, and one picture is also given, which is actually the national ornament of Belarus, which is representing the wealth and prosperity of the country. So this is an interesting coin of Belarus. If you have this coin with you, do let me know through the comments. And if you find this kind of videos interesting, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications every day. And also do support the channel by your likes and shares, and let me know what you like to know more about coins, and if you want to know about any certain coin or any specific coin, do let me know that also through the comments. So till meeting with a new coin on a new part. Bye.